Good evening, guys. Tonight is the my candle giveaway, and I do apologize. I was having issues with my Google Chrome, and that's why I didn't do a live stream. I don't know, some issue with Chrome and it downloading but not downloading in my laptop. I don't use it. I use Edge, and I don't know, it just would have taken me too long to fool around with it, so I figured, okay, to heck with it. I can do a short quick video now. I apologize, I look like a train wreck. It was a gorgeous day out today. I went for a long walk and I wore jeans, and oh my god, walking 30-some blocks, sweating my tush up in a pair of jeans. Yeah, didn't matter if I had a t-shirt on or not, I was drenched. So I made dinner and quick jumped in the shower. So anyway, I found a cute little app in the App Store, and it's called Random Generator. I'm going to show you in a moment. Well, I don't know if you can see it. No, probably not. Well, it will set up, let me see something. It will set up a number thing for you, like a number system, and the minimum number to the maximum number. So I'm changing the maximum number from 100 to 34 because I have 34 subscribers. I have 4 confirmed entries for the candle drawing, and as I said before, if no one's number matches the number I draw, then I will turn around and I will base it on the number closest to the number that I draw. Simple, easy, and fair. So I really wish I could. Don't know if you can actually see that, but yeah, you should be able to see it now. So it's set up to go. It says get a random number, so I am going to hit get random. So here we go. And there's an ad for Yahtzee. Oh good god. And where's the X to X this out? Come on. No, I don't want Yahtzee with friends. Come on. Oh, wow. Okay. The number that is picked is number 28. If you guys can see it, it is number 28, and the winner of the candle giveaway is ASTRID ADELE, and her number was 29. So she was off by 1. ASTRID ADELE, please message me at my email address listed below. Please give me your shipping info. I hope to hear from you by Saturday so I could get it out in the mail for you Saturday. You have 72 hours to give me your shipping info and to pick your send. All the info is listed down below. So once again, the winning number was 28, and I looked that up. And ASTRID ADELE, your number was 29. You are the winner, so get in touch with me. A big thank you to everybody that did enter, and I will see you guys again really, really soon. Thank you so much for stopping by. As always, I appreciate everybody climbing on board my channel, and If you like these videos, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you soon. Good night.